Hi, and welcome back to the bull station here in Norway. I'm Turi, and today I'm going to present one of our highly reliable daughter-proven sires, 11919 Ofstad-P. The P in his name represents the fact that he is polled, so if you want to avoid dehorning your calves, this is an excellent choice for you. He has a very well-balanced trait profile and will work very well in both high production and grazing systems. His daughters have a very good solids production and he's A2. When using this bull, you can expect excellent fertility and excellent udder health. He also gives medium-sized daughters, which is outstanding on our feed-save trait. Ofstad-P can safely be used on maiden heifers as he is tremendous for calving ease and stillbirths. Are you looking for a highly reliable daughter-proven sire to add in your herd? If so, this might be the bull for you.